then he was still doing his finishing touches, he wanted to get ready and still didn't go to take a rural area, right? The Toya has a different origin. I don't have time to explain, but usually when we were young, we called Toya tattoo. So this was built exactly.
එහෙත් යන්තමට ඇට වූ කපුටු නිවසක ඉඩතියේ ඕන හැටියට කෝල් පුතුට නිබඳ. So that was the original. It was difficult to get the muhunuara menuara, the play with language there, which I couldn't. So I said on the high tension power lines here and there, homeless bats who hanged themselves, grabbed by dog catchers last night. So there's nowhere does he say dog catchers.